A very good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
We are pleased to welcome you all to the annual journal meeting 2020 of our company Dream Reflection Media. And let's give a big hand to the Mr. Shahbaz Hassan and his team. Let's give them a big round of applause. We are glad to announce that we have completed 11 successful years in 2020 and hoping for many more years upcoming.
It's a pleasure for our team to hold the annual general meeting at such an early stage, and thank you all for joining us and becoming a member of it.
Hello. A very good morning to everyone. Thank you so much for joining us here. Okay. I always dreamed of this moment that we'll be having a gala team meeting and we'll be discussing about our success, because I always think of the success in my mind, that we have achieved so much, but I have never got the time to talk about this thing with people, especially our people. It was not started yesterday. It has taken a lot of time to come here where we are right now, and it has happened because of good team members who are sitting right now in front of me. So please, a round of applause for all of you. Thank you so much. See, the meaning of AGM is that we discuss about the success, the failure, and the challenges, and the future which we are going to do in the coming year. We didn't have this kind of meeting in last 10 years. And this 11th year, we're going to discuss and try to cover all of the points which we wanted to discuss in the last 10 years. So my focus will be to talk about the last 10 years and give you a quick recap about the 11th year which is going on right now. Okay, what we have done and what we have not. Also the plan for the next new chapter. As Shubham has rightly mentioned, that this is not the end, this is just a beginning. Okay, time is just a number, right? And we always see the growth and the success and also the failure, and it's not a stoppage. So we need to keep move on, because time doesn't stop for anyone, so why should we, right? And then what our role in it for all of us, because I can't do this thing of my own. Okay, I need somebody who I can rely on, and I believe everybody in this room can be in my position, in my shoe, and take care of things which I'm doing right now. It will just need some kind of commitment, dedication, and also a belief in yourself, because you can do that. You're not the person who's sitting in behind. Okay, you should be the person who will be sitting, standing right here in my place. And it doesn't have to be, you don't have to wait for next 10 years. You can do it in 1 year itself. It all depends how you believe in yourself. Okay. It was not like we got this success at one go itself, and the story didn't started that I had 10 rupees and I came here and I become rich. No, it didn't start like that. I was well established, I was working in a bank, I was very comfortable in my comfort zone in Kolkata, and I had no intention to come to Delhi. I never thought of it. Okay, but one day what happened when I saw that I designed something and it was very creative and people really liked it. So I thought, what I'm doing here? If I'm working really hard, I can work for myself too. And why not, give it a try. It was very early age, because I believe I was 25, and I thought I'd give it a try. I did my best. So the first year I left my job, well-paid job, because that time I was getting around 35,000, which was too much. Believe me, in a place like Kolkata, we can survive only in 5,000. So 30,000 was enough for me. Okay, and I was about to get promoted as a manager. So I left my job and I started with this business by myself without having any single idea. I tried the local market, it didn't work, believe me. It's never going to work, because you have to sell yourself, right? And then you have to chase people for the money. And within this period of time only, you'll have to work on the projects also. And especially on those projects for which you don't have any idea. Because in that time, I was not aware of WordPress. I had no idea about it. I hardly knew HTML. And the way I used to do it, I used to just copy the template and, just go inside and change the text. That's how I used to publish the websites. But it was a very wrong thing. And that made me understand that you can start something, but without having a prior knowledge about it, or having some field knowledge about it. If you start something, it's a very risky thing. You might succeed and you might fail as well. The failure chances are very high. So that in that case, I learned that whenever you're doing something, you need to make sure that you learn about those things, you work out there, and then you can move ahead with the business. So it was the beginning. Then we had struggle. Then we had success. Yeah, I got the success. I got a very big project, and I had no idea how to hire people to complete those projects. So what I did, I'll tell you openly. I got a project for 1 lakh, which is too much for me. A guy who was earning 35,000, and he suddenly got a project for 1 lakh, was too much. So I hired people, and I promised them that I'll give them 90,000 rupees, because I was thinking I can earn 10,000. This was a very bad idea. You can't invest all your money, or to the people, because you have to keep the money with yourself as well. So that was the first time I learned that don't give away the money right away. Make sure that whoever is working for that, they earn for it. And you need to test them out first. You just can't, rely on anyone. It's not that you don't trust the people. You'll have to give them a chance to prove yourself. Okay, the way you are proving yourself right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, these were the learning, and when I saw that I have to work somewhere to make sure that I'm starting really good, I left my entire stuff, and I was just got married. I came to Delhi, okay, and joined a firm where I met Shahbaz and Devesh, who are sitting right here right now in front of me, and we were co-worker, okay. I was appointed as a marketing manager, and I was very happy. Finally, I become a manager, okay, and I didn't notice that the marketing is there. Okay, so when you're a marketing manager or director or anyone, you're just a guy who's selling stuff. It doesn't matter what post you are in, you'll have to sell stuff. If you don't sell stuff, you'll be kicked out. Okay, and I told one of the guy what you're doing. He said, I'm a marketing executive. I said, okay, he must be under me only. And I asked him, how much you earning? He said, I'm earning around 40,000 rupees. And I was shocked because I was earning 25,000 only. So, and I was a manager. So I thought I'd be in a team, but I didn't. But during that period, I worked almost 7 to 8 months in that company. The thing which I learned was that what you should not do in your life, because there are companies, who charge really high to their clients, who don't treat their people really well, who don't understand the concept of the business. Okay, so I understand a lot. I learned a lot, and then I started again. So when I started, it happened something like this, 2009, it was just a dream. I was trying to impress a girl, okay, and for that I opened the company. It didn't work out. She was into someone else, and that's fine. Okay, but we started. Okay, anyhow we started. We made a small dream, and I don't know how I used Photoshop and copy and paste it. Instead of putting mine, I put her name, and whatever money I get out during that time, I don't remember. I think 2,000 rupees. I kept it with her only. Trying to impress her, but I didn't get that money also. That was a bad idea. But anyhow, I'm thankful to her because of her, thing got started. It got kicked out. The idea of Dreamflexion gone at that time. So I tried. I did a lot of stuff. It didn't work out. Then I learned and I started. And then the story of mine ended because then the story of Dreamflexion started from there. So in 2012-13, a new hope came up. I got a mentor, Travis Greenlee, and I also started working really hard, my ass off, to make sure that I try everything I can. I learned a lot of stuff. Thanks to YouTube, I learned a lot of stuff. Okay, I didn't give up. I learned WordPress. I got a project and I said I can do WordPress because I'm doing it for the last 2-3 years. But that was not the case because I was just trying to search in Google what is WordPress is all about. So it worked out. When you have a need, okay, dire need, you're losing out, then only you'll get the energy to do something. If you have a family background, you're getting good money, okay, and you have a very good family, good friends, and you're enjoying that thing, you won't feel the need of what we had at that time. I was just got married, I had no job, I left the job which was giving me good pay, and I started something which I was not sure of, I was not trained of. Okay, so the dire need of that struggle forced me that you can do something, and you can learn anything you want because YouTube is very that's the best teacher you can ever have. So it really worked out. I learned. I fixed the bug which was there. It was very simple bug. It got fixed. thanks to YouTube again and Google. So it started, okay. And the good thing about me was, I was very introvert person. I didn't used to talk to people very easily, especially girls. That's the reason, I'm like, there were 19 cases, but all happened between my head only. I never proposed to anyone, and I don't think, I could have proposed Kajal also, but thank God I proposed and got married. So things started really well. I started alone. Then Vikash came in. Vikash, my cousin, he just completed his graduation and he helped me out really well. And then Devesh also joined me up. Okay, and we started really fast. From just a team of 2 or 3 people, we had around 23 people at single night. Okay, we had no laptop. We had a very small office. We had only 300 square feet office. We were trying to fit 23 people, and we did that. Okay, there were a lot of funny experiences in that, but we did that. But again, we made a mistake. What we made mistake? We didn't understand, how many people do we want. We didn't do our homework. Whenever you don't do your homework, you make mistake. And that's the learning I had after making, after spending around 2-3 years in that. But it was good. The money was coming in. The client was paying the entire money. I don't have to pay anything from my pocket, but I was doing the same mistake which I did on the first of my career when I earned 1 lakh rupees and I gave away 90,000 rupees to the people. So it happened the same way. I was earning around 3 lakh per month, and I had a team whom I was paying around 2,50,000 rupees in total. So it was a mistake. I had no business idea. Okay, I was thinking I can earn 50,000. That's good enough. That's good enough for me. I can pay 10,000 as a rent, 10,000 as my credit card bills, 10,000 extra, and 20,000 enough for me and my wife, to enjoy. But we are not doing this for enjoying. We are doing this as a business, right? So we need to know what our costs are, expenditures are, and we need a guy who knows money. Okay, and I didn't have one. Okay, so I made a very grave mistake. But again, it was a good start. Who cares? You're earning money, okay? The dollars coming in your account. It's going away in the same, that's a different case. But it was coming, okay? It was making you feel good, right? And things really went well. The second mistake was I didn't look for any new customers. I didn't. Comfort zone is the worst thing can happen in your life. Okay, always remember that. Never go to your comfort zone. The moment you feel that you're in a comfort zone, try to come up. It's a wake-up call for you. So the comfort zone happened for me. I was very happy and satisfied and trying to spend all the money I was earning on things which was not required. Okay. So when the client go away, the client went away in the after 2-3 years because of some reason. I had no other backup. I had a very big team. I was paying really high. The people who are working for the last 2 years, I believe, they know how I increase the salary, right? I don't see the timeline. I don't care about the timeline. I just care how hard they are working, and I make sure that they earn a single penny of it. Okay. I had a very bad habit of not getting salaries because of people getting late or they're taking leave, because I believe they will cover it up. Okay. I believe in people. I don't believe in anything else. If I'm earning 10 rupees also, I'll try to share 8 rupees with them, because that money will somehow will work out. That's the reason we have people who still trust us, and whenever I call them, they're always there to help me out. So things really went well for 2016. Then the sign of failure got started. The minuses, whatever happens in your life, will always come back to you. You can't skip that. So we were in debt. Huge debt. Okay, I thought I was going to make around 1 million in rupees. Not 1 million, I think 10 million. That's 1 crore, right? But I was in minus. I didn't realize that we were in minus. We didn't pay the salary for the last for almost 3 months to our team member, and they are still working. It happened. It really happened. And it was a great situation. Whatever money savings I had was already spent out. Whatever money I can borrow from bank was already taken. There was nothing left. The jewelry gone. The house which I bought with all our hopes and dreams was about to get sold out. Okay, the thing was almost there. And I was trying to go in those directions which was not necessary. If I was earning 10,000 rupees from somebody, I was trying to focus on that, and I was not thinking of anything else. Then I got a wake up call one day in the night. What am I doing? Am I doing something wrong? What happens when your system gets down? You restart it, right? When your car doesn't work, you try to restart that thing. Okay? So the wake up call came to me that I need to restart. I need to, start from again, from beginning. I have learned a lot. I have made a lot of mistakes, and the mistakes happen. So there is nothing to be ashamed about it. You should accept your failures, and then only you can plan out things, right? So I accepted my failures. I talked to my team. I told them that you have learned a lot under me, and wherever you will go, you did a great job. And it did happen. You can see Pankaj right here from the same moment. He remembers what happened. When I called everyone and I told them that we don't have any work and I don't have any money. I'm not paying you for the last 3 months, and I can't keep doing like that. Because I believe you have family and you take care of it. Whatever I can do, I have done. I have tried to, hold off the team, but it didn't work out. So I can give you 1 month extra, but you have to give me some time. All of them gave me time. They promised that they will stay also if required. But I said no, go and look for a job. Because this is a high time you can get a good job. And all of them got a good job because they deserved it. They were well trained people. All of them. Somebody has started their own business now and they have their own team and they're still in touch with me. I give them, my job, and they also give me some new job from their end. Pankaj started his own training center and we inaugurated that. And he also has his own small team who's working on social media and doing different jobs. It's not like they started their own business, so I have become an enemy of them, or they have become an enemy of me. No, it's an open business. Anybody can start, right? So in 2019, I believe, the moment that everybody left out and I was all alone, my friend Devesh came in. I came to know that he is in Delhi because he started with me, but he left because of some family reason. But he came back and he just started, and I said, "Why don't you join me?" So he was skeptical, but he wanted to, because what happens, you have a family, you have a wife, you have a daughter, so you have responsibilities. So do I, right? So I told him that wherever you work in marketing, they will only give you money when you give them the business, right? I'll do the same. I'll do the same, and I'll share the entire money with you. Just be with me, because I need someone. I need someone, who trusts me and who can help me out in, coming back on my own leg, right? So he joined and we were alone, and I told him just be there, rest I'll take care of. Because I need someone whom I can see in front of me and I can work for my end, right? So he was there, I worked, I started doing project, I started getting money, and then we had a fund where we can have a team for next 4 months. So we had these 3 gentlemen. No, the guy is not here, but what was his name? Sunil. He is not here. But I had Sunil, I had Vikash, and I had Abhishek. Sunil was on number 1, Vikash was second, and Abhishek was second, and I had Vikash because I didn't, hire the other guy. I called him, he didn't came, so I hired Vikash. But I had some idea, this guy is talented, maybe, he will do some trick. And he did. I was amazed with their performance. You can't believe how fresher they can work out. The project which Abhishek has done was now being used by Boeing and Toyota. So please, a great round of applause for these 2 gentlemen. Something as well. And it worked out. Within that year itself, I was in minus 98 lakh, debt. By the end of the year, we were just 38, minus 38, which was my home loan, it was on me, right? But we did not get all the money to all the premium first, with 1 month extra salary, okay? And nobody, chased me out that, the money was due, you will have to pay, how am I going to survive my family? I'm here right now. And, I always try to make sure that, I don't have to go alone, I can go with all of them, right? We all can be rich. But we'll have to be very sure that we believe in things, right? We help each other, we don't do it alone, okay? And we work together, and we, believe in our dream. The moment we start believing it, we all will, grow a lot. So that thing comes, okay? You don't have to cry on that, okay? You have to have faith on yourself. because the place from I have come in, okay, there was nothing. जब आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं होता है तो आप खोओगे, कुछ भी नहीं खोओगे, राइट? पाने के लिए सब कुछ है। तो अगर आपको वापस से स्टार्ट करना पड़े तो क्या दिक्कत है? स्टार्ट करो ना, क्या दिक्कत है, राइट? So we fight back. 2019 was a year of fighting back. Okay, we were fighting back. We were giving back to life. That when you say no, we start believing yes. That's the quote he asked me, that what quote should I put? Everybody was putting a quote on our old office, and he asked me what quote do you want to put. I said, when life says you know no, start believing in yes. Things will happen. Okay, it's not doesn't apply on the work of businessman only. It applies everywhere. Okay, I have worked with coaches, 7 or 8 coaches. Okay, they had a sobbing story. I have a sobbing story too, but I don't believe in telling this kind of story because the story never ends, right? Every day we have a new story to tell, right? So it's a part of life. We don't have to cry about it. We just need to fight it back. Want me to go away consistent. We had clear thoughts now. Okay, we're not hiring new people at the early stage because we want to save some money. And we had better projects. Thank God we had better projects so that we can come and take the challenges. And our team increased a bit. We had another 2 new members, Sakshi and Yashwendra. So a round of applause for them. And I thought Sakshi will leave in the second day itself because her father came for the first day. And he must be thinking, that poor guy, that my girl, how she will survive. I had the same thing in my mind, how she will survive. And Devesh said, do we need to hire a girl? I said, why you are discriminating girls and boys? She's really great. I personally believe in it. Okay? I didn't remember, Sakshi, she was a diploma holder at that time. And she's very young. I didn't remember that. I didn't notice that. I came to know after 1 year. And you're just 20 right now. So age is just a number. You never know when you're going to have the knowledge, when you're going to learn things out. Okay, so don't believe that with the age comes the wisdom. The wisdom can come at very early stage, and it might happen that you're 50 also, you're still stupid, right? It might happen. So we really fought back, and we really came on our own ground. And we never thought that we're going to have this moment right now. We'll be having so many people. And again, this thing happened because one of my friends called me one day, okay, and he just asked me, how are you doing? I'm doing good. I asked him, how are you doing? He said, I'm doing good too. Then he said that he's having his own, training session, which where he train people and coach people. And he was a very good coach, Whenever he used to talk, he used to send his own dialogue, and I used to say my own dialogue. So like we used to kind of cat fight, who is the best? We never said that, but that was the thing, right? I'm the best speaker, and he's the best speaker. So it happened. We used to motivate each other, right? He used to praise me, and I used to praise him. That was scenario. So just while having the conversation, he said that the guy from old team just called him up and told him that like why don't you give him the lead, and things started like that, and we never knew when we discussed that let's start something by our own as well. If you can't work with him, you can work with me. You praised me, right? Remember? So you can trust me, and he did. Okay, he did, and because of his trust, the motivation came up again. And I thought, why to have 5 people now? My 5 people are already trained. They are well aware of things. Why not start again and increase the team members? Because he told me that I have 19 interns, and I was shocked because I had only 5 guys. Just remember, if 19 people are promoting you, so you must be needing 100 people, right, to do the business, right? So how would I handle the pressure if he will start giving me project? So I had more people. I went for a new office. Okay, I never planned for that. But I did it. Okay, and for my experience, I learned that I need to have a system before I hire you guys. So we did that too. I know I need to place yours, I will do that. I remember. So yeah, we did that, and I think we are going the right track. Okay, we are having this moment. All of us are here, and the reason I want to have this meeting today to make sure that we know each other. To see how many people are working together. We have 4 gentlemen out there who are working with us and who are going to fulfill our dream. Okay? Because we can perform tasks, we can do that, but we need tasks to perform that, right? we need business. And the business will come only from the marketing team. So we are not like people, who force our marketing team to, give us business every time. We just look at them and say that, whoever you bring on the podium, okay, on the business front, we'll make sure that, we'll give them 100%. And if we can't, we won't take that money. And we did that with our very first project. The client was not happy, it happens, and we take the money from them. Though we did the entire work for him. But it happens, okay? Shit happens, and you need to be get custom with it. The only thing is that you need to learn your clients, you need to learn the people, you need to have very good people management. You should trust people and you should mistrust people, both. Okay, you need to find out how you can trust people accordingly. So plan for 2021. ठीक है 2020 हो गया थोड़ा बहुत कमा लिया थोड़ा बहुत खर्चा भी कर दिया we have no penny in our account because हम यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं we put a lot of money right we have hired these gentlemen also तो जो थोड़ा बहुत बचा था उन्होंने ले लिया हमसे ठीक है so what next ठीक है what next are we going to survive the way we are doing right now कमाया खाया उड़ाया we should grow ठीक है grow?
Yes.
Good. So that's the plan I have. Okay. I never checked how much I'm earning. I always check how much I'm spending. Okay. So when I check, I earn a lot. I really earn a lot. If somebody will ask me where the money has gone, I have no idea. Honestly, I have no clue. ठीक है. मैंने खर्चा भी नहीं किया डॉलर. ठीक है. But I had no clue. But now we are going to be very strict with our finances. We are going to use money on training and development and make sure that we invest the money in the right things. That's our plan. We have till late the last highest earning was around 60 lakh for the entire year. But this year, last year we did 80 lakh. Okay, and this year by the end of March 31st we are going to cross 1 crore. So that's a good milestone. Very good milestone. So the plan for 2021 and 2022 is to make sure that we should earn 5 crore. Okay, the turnover should be 5 crore. Remember the number? Any number? We have handled around 115 projects this year till date. Okay, 115 new projects and the old projects too. We need to do this around 1,000 projects next year. That's our target. I know it's a very big number. I think I made 0 by mistake. It should be 100. Not 1,000. Okay, I can't have that. I can't make that mistake. So it should be 100 plus. Okay, we can go to 1,000, but we will start with 100 plus. I don't want to spend all the money on team members only. So yeah, but we have that plan. We want to do this thing, and we want to move ahead, and hire people and increase this thing. But how we can hire people? Just randomly? No. The first job is to make sure that I train these 2 guys, they train those 2 guys, and these 4 people have trained you. It's just 2 months, I believe, 2.5 months, but you have learned and understand what the core value we have. We are not like now. From this moment onwards, I'm making a new rule for our company. Nobody will be called sir. If they will call sir to anyone, they will be fired that moment itself. So remember, nobody is calling sir. Nobody is calling from their name. Or Mr. something like that. My name is Manish and I'm happy to be Manish. I don't want to be Mr. Manish, I don't want to be Manish sir, I don't want to be sir. Call me by my name because that's how family were calling me. Right? So do that. Remember, if somebody is calling sir or trying to respect somebody by name, he'll be fired or she'll be fired that moment itself. If you want, I do that. Then we can launch something of our own as well. We have got time. We know languages. Okay? And we can build multiple things through our languages, right, which we know. It's not like, you can only build site on WordPress, we stick to that, no. There are many people who always told me, they want to do something different in the market, and they are doing it right now. Okay, if he can build a project which can go to Boeing, why can't we build a project for ourselves, right? If Vikas can build a project, Shopify app, without having a single idea, then why can't we do ourselves? One is already almost completed, we need to give it a calendar, just like Calendly, or schedules or something like that. We are launching our own calendar, and the date we are launching is 14th of January. how we're going to launch it. I never thought of the date, I just told you. And I think if the boss says and give you a date, right? So क्या जाता है? By February, we'll be launching 2 Shopify apps. Okay, and by March, we'll be launching 2 WordPress plugins. So these 2 plugins ये अभी करना पड़ेगा. नहीं, it's not like that. I believe and I can, count on that. Every team member is going to help you out. They will. Okay, they will give you everything and they'll make sure that you don't feel alone and you're working really hard. Okay, they will help you out accordingly. Okay, तुमने काफी अच्छा कोई knowledge दिया है और अच्छा knowledge दो, ठीक है? बाकी की तो नहीं है. So I can plan for January, February and March, not more than that. That would be too much. Over planning is also bad, ठीक है? It happened. So I'm really happy. So let's focus on the first 3 months. ठीक है? Let's focus on the first 3 months and then see where we stand. If you launch more than 2 plus digital products, that's a different story. If you launch more than 2 plus Shopify app, that's a different story. But I think in this 3 months, if we do it together, all of us will be highly trained in this thing, right? And then every single person out here whom I can see, they can launch their own stuff. So you don't have to tell me what you want to do. Okay, I don't have to tell you what you want to do. Okay, what you should do. Sorry, I'm telling my upcoming talents upfront. So I'm not going to tell you. Okay, it's something you are going to tell me what you want to do. Okay, so let's see what happens. And April onwards, as I told you, you will tell me that boss, I know this thing I can launch. You can count on me. And I can launch it out within 1 month or 15 months. All I need is 2 people. They say, oh, just give me 2 guys and I'll be in Pakistan, right? So we will talk like that. And it's not Abhishek or Vikas who will come forward. It could be Pankaj, it could be Vishal, it could be Atri, it could be Sachin. And I believe beautiful ladies, they will also come up and they will give a very tough challenge to all the guys. Okay, I believe all of you are really wonderful and doing a great job. And you're doing much better than the guys. Okay? So thank you so much. A round of applause for us. No one can define that except you. Okay? What your role are. So you'll have to find your own role. The best I can do is give you salary, right? And increase it the way you are working, right? That is the best I can do. It's up to you to raise your bar. It's not up to me. Okay, I can give you a platform which I have given, right? It's up to you to raise your bar, move ahead, go ahead in the life. If you feel that you're not doing well because of something, then come to us, we'll help you out. Nobody has seen much failure than I have seen, okay? So I can share something with you, right? So please believe in yourself. Everybody can do it, okay? Whether you're fresh, okay? Whether you are a very talented guy, you can grow to moon. You just try, right? It's up to you to dream high. It's not my dream. I can't dream for you. I can dream for mine. I can dream for Ferrari. I can't dream for you, right? I don't know what you're dreaming, right? It could be a woman, it could be a guy, okay? It could be a big house. It could be a good future for your family, okay? So it's all up to you. And everything comes up from where? It comes up from a very big positive attitude, okay? And having a positive vibe and have positive, thinking about the future in your life. So think about it that way. It doesn't matter you work for our company or you work anywhere. Just have that positivity around you, okay? And it will, keep you float in all the difficult situations in your life. And whenever you need any help, we are here. It doesn't matter we are working together or not, but we will be always a family. Once the guy becomes member of our company, he becomes a family member. It doesn't matter where he lives. We will be always there. All of us will be there to support you. I have been most right. It's up to you to take the next step, push your fear aside and show the resilience to get to the success. Remember guys, failure is just a delay. Okay, it's not the end, it's just a delay. Okay? So if you see the failure anywhere in your life, it doesn't matter if it's a job or personal life, it's just a delay. It's a bad time, it should just go away. Okay? So don't take stress. It won't earn you anything. Nothing will be permanent, neither your failure nor your success. That's true. Nothing will be permanent. Okay? We can be here next year, with 100 people. We can here be next year again 4-5 people only. Okay, it might happen. Okay, it was always said that work for the best, but be prepared for the rest. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Very good afternoon to everyone.
We all know, as a company grows, its responsibility and accountability grow as well.
Absolutely. And to discuss our future development scheme, may I like to call on stage Mr. Devesh Srivastava, the director of our company, who will say a few words about future plans of the company.
And thanks a lot for Manisha as well, who gave me an opportunity to come again and join him and become a part of Dream. And today we all are here. We know very well that we all are here, and we are really enjoying it very well. So there is no tomorrow. There was no yesterday. If you truly want to accomplish your goals, you must engulf yourself in today. And thanks a lot for Manisha as well, who gave me an opportunity to come again and join him and become a part of Dream. And today we all are here. We know very well that we all are here, and we are really enjoying it very well. So there is no tomorrow. There was no yesterday. If you truly want to accomplish your goals, you must engulf yourself in today. In your life, you have to understand and make decisions accordingly, which will definitely help you out to grow your business and enhance your skills today and coming tomorrow as well. So in 2021, what's our focus would be? What's our next move? And dream versus reality. They need you, you need them. And looking at improving our business as well. We can grow our business accordingly. Dream versus reality. Just don't dream, do believe in it as well. So we should not dream, definitely we should make dreams, we should think about dreams, and dreams come into reality on a longer run. If you think about your what your dream are, and you are really dedicated about your dream, then only you can achieve your goals on a future. Dream versus reality. Focus on challenges and work on the opportunities. We should focus on our challenges. Last year we have faced lots of challenges, and I'm really grateful to have a team like you, Abhishek, Yashwinder, Vikas, and obviously Sakshi, who faced lots of challenges. And the time of pandemic situation, when everything was locked down, they really did a lot of hard work, and when companies were closing out, and we definitely worked too hard. They also worked too hard to complete the client project. There were companies who lost their business. Many companies were there who shut down their business. We were growing up, and that credibility goes to our team only. The 4 members, Abhishek, Vikas. They need you, you need them. Don't let anyone down. So it's a two-way relationship, right? And whenever you are going to give someone to them, you also expect something from them as well, client. So whenever the client it's a two-way relationship. If you are going to give business to client and client is getting business from you, so that will definitely come around. It's a circle. You are giving good to the clients, and then client will also refer something to you, and that will definitely come to you. They need you, you need them. Building relationship and trust. We should definitely try to build our relationship with the clients. If a client is good and you are good to clients as well, and you understand the client's business, then you can definitely move ahead, and then client will also try to build up relationship with you. It may be possible that on a current year, the client may not give you good business, but on a longer run, he will definitely benefit you and he will definitely give you good relationship as well as good money. Big picture. Our individual role is in the big picture. So what we are planning in 2021 is to build up a brand with a Dream Reflection Media, right? And to build a company based on the product side as well as the service side. Presently, we are only targeting service only, but our aim is to build as a company, product-based company. Don't think you can't make a difference. Definitely, we should not think that we can't make a difference. Even not even Manish also. I can bet on the new members who have joined recently on our company. They can also create a difference, right? You never know who is the punch card in your life, right? Anyone can come up with something new and something innovative idea which can definitely enhance the business of a company. So this is what I wanted to say, and I would like to end myself, and I'll not take much time.
Very helpful for our team members to get an idea about our future perspectives to grow as one of the leading companies in the country.
Well, it was quite an informative presentation, but I think a serious too. Should we make it a bit lighter now?
Yes.
So I would like to call one of our teammates, Ravi, for some fun sessions. Now I would like to call Shahbaz, the director and co-founder of ATOS DG, to share his experience.
Very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon.
How are you all?
Fine.
Okay. Thank you, Manish, for giving me such a warm welcome, and Devesh as well, and my team, and the Dream Reflection team as well. Guys, throughout the presentation, I have noticed one thing. That is 1,000 clients. How many of you have noticed that? So I have the questions to all of you. How am I going to achieve the same?
By working hard.
Am I working hard? That's
We will
very
work
nice.
smart, we will work hard.
Okay. Team?
Generate more leads.
Generate more leads. Sign.
Convert more leads.
Convert more leads. I wanted to tell you that. Being the sister concern company of the Dream Reflection, so I wanted to show the roadmap of how to, we can convert the 1,000 client. So, firstly, we have to understand that to whom we are going to target. Being a business, to whom we are going to target. We are the software engineering company, so we are targeting those people who are in need of the software, who are in need of the website, who are in need of the funnels and all. Moreover, we have also started the digital marketing services as well. Yes?
Yes.
Right. So it means with a 1,000 client, we will be having more profit, and obviously we will be on the top. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So throughout, I was working with the Dream Reflection from the last 3 months, and my team was dedicatedly working on generating the leads. So I have some experience with that, and when Manish told me about it, like we have to, we should have 1,000, client in this year. So that calculation, was making in my mind how we are going to generate the same. So that calculation I wanted to, show here in this, area. मैं आपको वो दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि वो कैसे हम करने वाले हैं. So can I have a whiteboard, please? Whiteboard है यहाँ पे. से 6 काम करता था, तो मैं मनीष की सीट के ऊपर एटलीस्ट 10-12 दिनों में जाता ही था, राइट? और यू वॉन्ट बिलीव इट, 10 से 15 मिनट। थैंक यू। So, how we are going to do that with the leads? Right? Okay. So, how we are going to generate the leads? There are certain ways of generating the leads. We will be generating the leads through social media. We will be generating the leads through email marketing. Okay? We will be generating the leads through some other ways as well, like client reference as well.
SEO.
Reference, SEO. It means it's comprised of whole digital marketing. It comprises of whole digital marketing, right? Moreover, there is one more thing, client reference. So 1000 client लाने का तो मैं एक चीज मैं कहूँगा मनीष आपसे कि we are aware with that and we will definitely do this task. Can you have a RAM? So if I talk about the digital marketing, so digital marketing को मैं एक वर्ड में कंप्लीट करता हूँ, आप जहां जाएंगे हमें पाएंगे. It means on the internet world, ठीक है? I can tell you that Manish, I am making the promise to you. जहां भी आपका prospect client जाएगा, वो ड्रीम रिफ्लेक्शन को वहां पर पाएगा. In terms of the video, in terms of the images, in terms of the articles, in terms of the blog, in terms of the guest blog. Right? It means, जहाँ जाएंगे? Right? We have analysis, make the analysis of your competitor as well, and they are doing very good. Again, I would say that. What? Side. We will push them back. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it means जहां जाएंगे हमें पाएंगे. उसके बाद एक चीज और आती है client reference. So how we are going to do that? Client reference हमको कैसे मिलने वाला है? Yes or no? How we are going to take the client reference?
By giving them good services?
Absolutely. Are you aware with that or not? हम सर्विसेज अच्छी कैसे देंगे? I know that मैं मनीष के साथ में काम कर चुका हूँ, दिवेश के साथ कर चुका हूँ, और ultimately I know that when मनीष talk to the client, अगर 100 client से बात मनीष कर रहे हैं, तो 99.9% वो convert होता है. But ultimately every time he will not talk to every client, and you guys will be exposed. Yes or no?
Yes,
sir. And you have to talk to the client, and you have to convert the same client for dream reflection. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
When we work together, then we will be having 1000 satisfied clients. Yes or no?
Yes.
So are you taking the pledge of that or not?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
So how you are going to take the pledge? हम कैसे pledge को लेने वाले हैं? I have certain points which you can write down somewhere. Okay. First is positive brand value. What is positive brand value? Please.
Using the positive thoughts to share with our clients.
Very good. Anyone else at the back? Positive brand value. How we are going to create the same? Because we have bigger targets. Because this time we are, what's the date today? It's like 19th of December, right? And we are taking the pledge of like, we are going to have 1,000 clients in next year. When we are going to give the presentation here, and we can, say the same in front of you that yes, we have completed this task. But how we are going to do that? And we should have the roadmap of it. Yes or no? And that roadmap I am telling you right now. because this requires each one of your effort. You are the member, you are the important member of this company. Even it's Ethos or it's a Dream Reflection. And I'm assuming that it's both companies same. Right?
Yes, yes.
Right? So how we are going to do that? And मैंने आपको पहला पॉइंट आपको क्या बताया था? हाँ, तो कैसे करने वाले? With a good ethics. Values. With a good high IQ level. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
So when you're working for the client, so we should have, we should intact ourselves with the company, and we should give, what client is demanding. Right?
Yes, yes.
So with that, if you have a proper ethics, good values, and you are dedicated towards the company, obviously we can achieve this target.
Of course.
Right?
Yes.
Let's move to the second value. Yes. Increase in commitment. Increase in commitment. So, how you guys are defining this commitment?
By giving things some time.
Absolutely.
What
What you have by having the interaction with the client, what you have promised and what you are giving.
Yes.
That's a commitment. What is the commitment with your employer? When someone is leading you and he told you, he assigned you something, and how delicately you are working the same. That's the most important thing. Right? Because client is noticing all this stuff. Believe me, guys, believe me. We are here in this field in the last 12 years and we are, understanding client, from that. Right? So let's move to the third point, which is perception plus expectations is equal to reality. I'm repeating the same here again now. That is, perception plus expectations is equal to reality. So when we are dealing with the client, there is some perception in our mind that client is demanding these things. And company is not running with the perceptions, I would say that. It's on reality. And in reality, what company is demanding, that you have to understand. On the perception basis, you are giving something else and company is demanding something else. It's not a. So what you have to do, when you are talking to the client and when you are talking to your employer, you have to first understand that what is the buyer persona of your client and what basically he is demanding. Right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Let's move to the fourth point now, and that is everyone is accountable. Everyone is accountable in this company. No, not Shahbaz, not Devesh, not Manish. You guys are accountable for everything. Are you taking the pledge of that?
Yes.
How are we taking the pledge? Like this. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, repeat with me. I adhere. Yes, guys. Khana kare aega. I adhere. I will keep positive brand value with Dream Reflection. Increase in commitment with the client. Perception plus expectations, and we are going to understand the client and deliver the same what they are demanding, and we are accountable for each and everything. Thank you.
I would like to invite Abhishek for one of the most senior employee of our company, and he will going to share his journey and working with us.
Thank you so much, Neetu, for inviting me. And I'm so glad to be here. And I am thankful to the Manish sir who gave me the opportunity.
You're fine. I'm rehiring you right now.
You can again hire me, sir.
That's the last time hiring you. Remember.
आदत डालनी पड़ेगी सर.
डालो.
So I'm so glad to be here, and I'm very thankful to Manish sir. Manish, I'm so very thankful to Manish to giving me this opportunity to the part of the Disinfection Media. If I introduce myself, so my name is Abhishek Tiwari, and I joined the company before 2 years. Approx 2019 February, I joined the company. It's almost 2 years past. It's completed under 2021. Many February. So I have such a wonderful experience with the company. And actually, say तो बहुत जगह interview मैंने दिया. I literally tried so hard to be placed in any well company, but I didn't pass the interview. Because जहाँ भी जॉब इंटरव्यू बाद में होता है पहले पैसे मांगते हैं. जब फ्रेशर में जाऊँ मैं रियली बता रहा हूँ, जब मैं पहली बार इंटरव्यू देने आया था सर्कुलर, तो मैंने उससे पूछा था सर ये बताओ पैसा तो नहीं लोगे. लिटरली ये हुआ था.
जरूरत थी उस वक्त में.
तो मैं कुछ भी सोच नहीं आया था. एक्चुअली मैं कानपुर से हूँ. आई बिलोंग फ्रॉम कानपुर एंड आई नेवर थॉट दैट आई विल बी अ डेवलपर इन नोएडा. And I also worked on the BPO. I also joined the BPO. But my communication level was so low in the BPO. So I was fired that time. So I am very demotivated that time. Then I got the job in the Disinfection Media. Then started my new journey. Then that time started my new journey with the Disinfection Media. Will be a developer. I love coding. I love two things most. Coding and eating. I'm a big foodie. And then मुझे कोई भी आइडिया नहीं था कि कैसे कॉर्पोरेट वर्क करते हैं. कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं था. I learned lots of things from Manish and Devesh. Devesh told me everything about the corporate world. And Manish never felt me that he is the boss. Manish never felt me that he is the boss. He always be like a friend. जब मैं कहीं स्टक होता हूँ, then I always ask, I'm stuck in this part, can you help me? Then he will already be there for us. कभी भी कोडिंग से फंस जाओ, कुछ भी हो जाए, कहीं भी जाओ, हेक्टिक होता है. कोडिंग से क्या होता है, माइंड एकदम पॉज्ड हो जाता है. तो मैं जाता हूँ देवेश सर के केबिन में, कहता हूँ नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ बताओ. देन वो हम लोग एक ब्रीज देते हैं, एक हेल्दी ब्रीज, और वहाँ से फिर हम लोग न्यू तरीके से स्टार्ट करते हैं. So this is the brigade for Devesh. And in the company, I got a new friend. Which is Vikas Rathodi. And I got Vikas and me. We started a job together in the Disinfection Media. And हम दोनों सीट पे बैठते थे. वो डिजाइनिंग करता था, मैं डेवलपिंग करता था. मैं डेवलप करता था और वो डिजाइन करता था. कोई भी डिजाइनिंग पार्ट आता तो मैं बोलता था तू कर ले, मैं नहीं करना. तो ज़्यादातर काम उसी के पास होता था. मेरे पास बहुत वर्क कम होता था, बट फिर भी वो कभी भी हेजिटेट नहीं किया. उसने हर चीज़ को उसने इतने अच्छे से मैनेज करता था, और आज भी वो करता आया. मैं कहता कैसे कर लेता भाई तू. बट तो कभी नहीं होता है. एंड देन कई टाइम तो ऐसा हो जब हम लोग पास कुछ वर्क थे, बहुत सारे टास्क एक साथ आ गए. Just like I have five work in my hand, and he has 10 works in his hand. मैं यहाँ पे परेशान हो रहा हूँ, and he is just like singing a song. He is just singing a song. कि तुम्हें भाई तुम्हारे पास ज़्यादा वर्क है, सॉन्ग नहीं सिंग कर तो कुछ काम कर ले। एंड इट्स जस्ट लाइक हो जाएगा, सब हो जाएगा। और उसका लास्ट में हो भी जाता सारा। मैं यहाँ बैठा होता था कि अब मैं क्या करूँ। तो दिस इज माई एक्सपीरियंस जो मैंने यहाँ फील किया। ये एक्चुअल में एक फैमिली की तरह है। दिस इज अ ट्रू फैमिली। मुझे कभी भी नहीं फील हुआ कि मैं घर से बाहर हूँ या क्या। मैं यहाँ पे आया, एक न्यू फैमिली है। आई हैव टू फैमिलीज, फर्स्ट इन माई इन कानपुर एंड द सेकंड इन ड्रीम फ्रैक्शन मीडिया। दिस इज and presently we had some great people in our team which is so enthusiastic and so good and they are so hard working. कुछ भी कर दो उनको वो कर सकते हैं, मुझे बिलीव है। एंड आपने जो बोला ड्रीम के बारे में, जो भी हमारे ड्रीम है 1000+ टीम और प्रोजेक्ट्स, वो हम जरूर कंप्लीट करेंगे। And we will launch all our projects January, February and March. This is our dream and we will launch our own products.
Absolutely.
And one more thing. Vikas, can you please join me?
So everyone please.
Very much all of one. Very good afternoon to all of you.
Yeah, it's on. Koi.
Thank you to all of one for this pleasant meeting. Very thankful to Manish and Devesh sir.
Fire.
और मेरे भी काफ़ी स्ट्रगल है इसमें। ये 2 इयर्स मेरे लिए काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग थे और ये काफ़ी बढ़िया लगा यहाँ पे। बाकी अभिषेक संभालेंगे।
नहीं यही रहो, कोई नहीं। And we also have 2 more people in our company, which is Shwinder and Sakshi. उन्होंने हमें बहुत जल्दी ज्वाइन किया। प्लीज कब अभी ज्वाइन करोगे? हाँ जरूर। अच्छा, ये हमारा गुरु मंत्र है। जब भी कुछ नहीं होता ना, हम लोग बोलते हैं सिंपल।
सिंपल करने से कोई भी काम रहता ना वो हो जाता है, चाहे कितना भी बड़ा हो। तो सिंपल करना है। हाँ तो स्टार्ट करिए। देखिए, सबसे पहले मैं इस कंपनी में आया, इनके बारे में बोला, ये कैसे बोलेंगे। कंपनी में आया और सिंपल मनीष सर से बात किया और उन्होंने कहा कि ठीक है करो। और इतने अच्छे दोस्त मिल गए। सिंपल सा 2 कॉलम लगाया, फोटो लगाया, वीडियो लगाया, सिंपल हो गया। अब कुछ आप भी बोलो।
प्लीज
कुछ भी बोलो, 2 लाइन
माइक नहीं चल रहा
मेरे बारे में या और किसी बारे में।
तो ये मेरी ग्रेजुएशन के बाद पहली जॉब है, ठीक है। मतलब ये फर्स्ट जॉब है, एक ड्रीम था और वो ड्रीम में आके पूरा हो गया। यही था कि आईटी कंपनी में जॉब करनी है। बीटेक के बाद करीब 6-7 महीने इधर उधर गया, इंटरव्यू बहुत सारे दिए, मेट्रो में इधर उधर, गुड़गांव, नोएडा, फिर ये ज्वाइन कर लिया।
ये भी मेरी फर्स्ट जॉब है। एक्चुअली मैं करना चाहती थी बीटेक, लेकिन मैंने 10th करके डिप्लोमा ज्वाइन किया था। डिप्लोमा करने के बाद प्लान था बीटेक करके आईटी कंपनी में जॉब करनी है। प्लान चेंज हो गया, डिप्लोमा करके जॉब में आने का हुआ। एक इंटरव्यू दिया, वहाँ पे हुआ नहीं था सिलेक्शन। सेकंड इंटरव्यू था ये, मुझे लगा था मेरा सिलेक्शन नहीं होने वाला, डिप्लोमा हूँ, बीटेक वालों को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस दी जाएगी। लेकिन फिर एक दिन देवेश सर की कॉल आई कि
नहीं एक्चुअली क्या हुआ ना कि एक ही लड़की आई इंटरव्यू देने के
सिलेक्टेड हो और आप फ्राइडे से ज्वाइनिंग कर लो। मैंने ज्वाइनिंग की, उसके बाद बस ये फर्स्ट जॉब है, 1 साल हो गया है। बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे काम करके। जैसे सर ने बताया कि हम एज अ फैमिली हैं, रियली। सर दोनों सर ने, सॉरी सर हैबिट नहीं है जी सर, सॉरी। बस
वैसे देवेश सर सबको सपोर्ट करते हैं।
हाँ फायर हो जाओगे
देवेश जी फुल रिस्पेक्ट। कुछ भी हो, हम लोग जब भी कुछ फंसता है या समझ में नहीं आता है, दिमाग नहीं काम करता है, तो सबसे अच्छा है
सर के पास जाओ।
हाँ चले जाओ, वहाँ कुछ ना कुछ सोल्यूशन मिलेगा ही मिलेगा।
सर का डायलॉग
अबे तुम लोग हो गया, अब चले आओ इधर। चलो
हमारे साथ एक टीम मेंबर है जो साथ में खड़े रहे और उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा अचीव किया है। सो आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल पंकज ऑल्सो टू जॉइन अस इन द स्टेज एंड शेयर हिज स्टोरी। एक सिंपल टीम मेंबर से, एक सिंपल एम्प्लॉय से आप कैसे कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में जाते हो। मैंने अपनी स्टोरी बता दी, बट अगेन वी हैव समवन हियर एज वेल हु कैन टेल द स्टोरी, हु हैज गॉन फ्रॉम हियर एंड यू नो अचीव समथिंग इन लाइफ।
हम लोग नहीं है।
हाय गाइस, गुड आफ्टरनून। एक तो पहली बार ऐसे आके खड़ा कर दिया सर ने, समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या कर रहा हूँ, सब लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं। 2015 में मैंने ड्रीम रिफ्लेक्शन ज्वाइन किया था। उस टाइम पे मैं BCA कर ही रहा था, लास्ट ईयर था मेरा BCA का, और BCA से कोई ख़ास जॉब नहीं लगती है सुना था, तो मुझे भी लगता था ये नहीं लगेगी। लेकिन मनीष सर के साथ मैंने इंटरव्यू दिया। इंटरव्यू सर का ऐसा ही होता है जैसा मेरा सबके साथ होता था। इंटरव्यू शेयर करूं? मैं अभिषेक से भी बात कर रहा था कि जब मेरा फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू हुआ सर के साथ, तो फायर मत करना।
नहीं तुमको नहीं।
तो उस टाइम पे मेरी 9000 सैलरी थी, मैं लास्ट कंपनी में जॉब करता था। सर के पास आया, बोला सर 12000 मिलते हैं। सर ने कहा देख लो, कॉल करके पूछूंगा। अब मन में डाउट हुआ, यार कॉल कर ही दी तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी, जा होगा नहीं काम फिर तो। मैंने कहा नहीं सर 9000 ही मिलते हैं। कहने लगे हाँ ठीक है, अब तुमको 12 ही दूंगा, लेकिन तुमने सच बोला, ये अच्छा लगा। उस टाइम पे नाइट में जॉब करते थे हम लोग, कंफर्टेबल नहीं था, लेकिन किया कि हाँ कुछ नया मिले तो करना चाहिए। 1 साल बहुत अच्छा गया, बहुत कुछ सीखा मनीष सर से, बहुत सारे न्यू प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम किया। वर्डप्रेस ही काम करता था उस टाइम पे, लेकिन सर के पास आने के बाद बहुत सारे काम किए। और ऐसा नहीं है, चैलेंजेस भी हुए, लेकिन वो कंप्लीट किए सर की गाइडेंस के साथ। डाउन आए, अप्स आए, फिर डाउन्स आए, फिर बहुत सारे डाउन्स आए एक साथ। मैं नहीं बता सकता उसके बारे में, लेकिन हाँ वहाँ से फिर हम मूव किए। मूव करने के बाद अब मैं एक अपना ट्रेनिंग सेंटर चलाता हूँ मेरठ में, जहाँ पे मैं डेवलप कराता हूँ लोगों को उनके स्किल्स, वर्डप्रेस, वेबसाइट डिज़ाइनिंग, ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग, दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स। साथ साथ मैं अपने कुछ प्रोजेक्ट भी चलते हैं मनीष सर के साथ कंबाइंड में ही, और यही मेरी स्टोरीज हैं। दैट्स सारा क्रेडिट एक ही इंसान को जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मनीष। आई वॉज नथिंग।
खड़े नहीं हो सकते। इमारत कितनी भी बना लो आप, आपको पिलर्स चाहिए। तो एक बंदा बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकता है, लेकिन उसको अकेले दम पे रन नहीं कर सकता। तो हर पिलर यहाँ पे खड़े हैं आप, ठीक है। जितनी पिलर्स आते जाएंगे उतनी बड़ी इमारत होती जाएगी, और जितने पिलर्स जाएंगे उतनी छोटी इमारत होती जाएगी। मैं यही मानता हूँ।
अगेन थैंक यू मनीष।
Anyone who wants to join now?
मैं भूख लग रही है.
Thank you, Abhishek and Vikas. Thank you, Pankaj, Ravi, Sakshi, and Yashwinder. Thank you so much to all of you, and you are really an inspiration to all of us. And thank you so much for sharing your experience and your journey.
Yes, I totally agree with you, Sachin. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for all your attention. And this brings us to end of our annual general meeting 2020. On behalf of our directors and managers, I would like to thank you all becoming a part of it. And we are looking forward for full support from everyone and for the upcoming years. Thank you.
So I'll ask you at one shot, please, जोर से चल रहा था थोड़ा सा होटल वालों को मालूम चले कि हमने पैसा खर्चा किया हमने
जोश के साथ
गाजियाबाद से कोई आया है, नोएडा से कोई आया है, लखनऊ से कोई आया है, कानपुर से कोई आया है, पूरा यूपी आया है एक्चुअली. बोला नहीं चाहिए. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.